Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In today's video, we're going to install LibreOffice on Windows. So let's open up a browser and let's search for LibreOffice. Hit enter and you'll see this sponsored link from LibreOffice.org is the first one that'll come up. I'm going to click on that, and up here, once I get to the LibreOffice site, I'm going to click download. And I want to download LibreOffice. Okay? And you'll see some options here. So if you're a tech enthusiast, early adopter, or power user, this version is for you. And then this next version, this version is slightly older and does not have the latest features, but has been tested for longer. Let's do this one. So I'm going to click download. Okay, once LibreOffice is downloaded, we can go to our downloads folder here, and I'm going to right click and open this file, and the setup wizard will pop up. I'm going to click next, and I'm going to do a typical install, so I'll keep this as is and click next. And I do want a shortcut on the desktop, so I'm going to keep this checked and click install. It's going to prompt me to make changes to my computer, and that's going to go ahead and install. Okay, once it's gone ahead and installed, we can finish. Okay, I can close this out now, and let me just search here for LibreOffice. And so if I'm going to open, say, LibreOffice Writer, LibreOffice Calc, so on and so forth, I can do so. I'll open the writer, so let's click open. And here we go. LibreOffice is open. We can get started. I can click OK. Just close all the stuff out, and I can start working on my document. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe. Thanks.